Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about another important text processing technique in NLP, and it is stemming. Stemming is used to reduce word to their root or base form. For example, words like play, played, plays, and player can be reduced to something like play. So in this video, I'm going to show you how stemming works and how we can implement it using Python and NLP. So let's get started. First, I will go to import the NLTK library. For that, just need to enter import an NLTK. So for stemming, we do not need to download any additional dataset. We are going to use something called Porter Stemmer. So let's import it from NLTK dot stem import Porter Stemmer. So let's import. We already imported this Porter Stemmer. Now I'm going to create an object of Porter Stemmer. So for that, just need to stem or equal to Porter Stemmer. Yeah. Now our stemmer is ready. And now let's try some simple examples and create a list of words for that. I'm creating words as, so I'm adding playing, played, and place, and player. Now I want to apply stemming to each word. We can use a simple for loop. So for that, just writing for word in words, print word. Oh, I will just add for easy identification purpose. So let's run this program. So we will get the output like play to play, play to play, plays to play, player to player. Now notice something interesting here. The word playing, played, plays were reduced to play, but player remained player. This is because stemming does not always produce a proper English word. It may tries to remove prefixes or suffixes based on roots. Let's try a few more words so let me copy this and comment this and start this some more. Let me add some connect, connected, connecting, connection, and connections. So now let me save this and let me run this program again. Now you see when we run this, the several words are reduced to similar stems here. So the main idea is that word with similar meaning or forms can be reduced to a common stem here. Now let's do something a little more practical. Instead of giving individual words, let's take a complete sentence for that. So, so for that, let me comment this and let me add a text here. Text, creating a variable. The boys are playing football and they played yesterday. First, let me split sentence into individual words. For that, I'm creating a words and text dot split for splitting all the details. So now when I let me save this before running. So once I did it, so I saved it, and now when you run this code, the stemmer process each word individually. So you can see a playing as a play and played as also a play. So you can see that different forms of word can be reduced to the same stem. Now, instead of printing each word separately, let's create a new list containing the stem words. So for that, let me comment this part and I will just doing stemmed words as a creating a variable here and inside this list stemmer dot stem of word for word in words. Now let me print out this stemmed words. Okay. So now we have our original sentence transformed into a stemmed version. You can see in the output. Now that there one very important thing to understand about stemming. Stemming does not always gives us a proper English word. For example, a stemmer might convert a word into something that looks strange. It's an actual English word. That's completely normal. Stemming works mainly by applying rules to remove parts of words. So it's fast and simple, but it isn't always linguistically perfect. This is one of the main difference between stemming and lemmatization. We talk about lemmatization in another video. So this is the complete basic implementation of stemming using the portal stemmer in NLTK. So I hope you have got it. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section or you can reach me in the Instagram and we follow there and you can support us. Thank you.